What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm home. I got a flight to catch later on today, headed to Tampa, Florida, so I can link up with my friend Sequoia, and then we're going to Mississippi or somewhere at her family reunion, and then after that we will be driving back to Michigan together. For those of you that don't know who Sequoia is, she pretty much been in the earlier vlogs because I've been knowing her that long, for years. So it's about to be a little adventure, guys. Then after that, pretty much come back to work and then work a few more weeks and then head back to the Dominican Republic. July 31st is my flight there. So I'm just trying to, you gotta live, man. You gotta live, enjoy life, and just do as much as you can do. Because tomorrow is promised to absolutely no man. That's what people need to understand. Alright, so I just got from the barbershop, right? The barbershop is like literally across the street. So I'm walking from the barbershop and I end up reading a text. And basically it's a text with some random number telling me that my cousin got in an accident on my motorcycle. And it's saying that they think, we think he will make it. God have final call. I don't understand what the heck is going on right now. So I tried calling my mom, stepdad, all these other things, and I ended up calling the hospital, and they pretty much said that he's in the emergency. So I'm waiting on my friend Chris to come, because it's like, bro, I can't believe this, man. I done gave this guy so many warnings, all right, especially where we live in Detroit. Like, people here drive like they don't have no damn sense. Let me show you how you do it, man. You gotta kill them with the smile. I'm waiting on.
Oh, no, kiddo. No lineup.
Alright, put my stuff in the trunk. That was into the vlog, man.
No, I don't have no, just put me in vlog when I don't have no lineup or nothing. No reaches, nothing.
So I just made it to the airport and I left my freaking phone in Chris's car. So I just had to ask the lady behind me there to help me out. So Chris is supposed to be pulling back around right now. So I'm waiting on him. Look at this guy. Dog, I can't believe I just left that, man.
I should have kept.
You don't know what you're talking about. Valieta. Sequoia's supposed to be pulling up. It's my first time being at the Tampa airport. That junk wild. Look at this girl. Look at this girl picking me up 2 hours late. Yo, so
why you look like you?
So what you gotta say to the vlog, man? Picking people up 3 hours late.
It was construction.
Nah.
Look at my shoes.
Nah, man.
Oh
She just lying.
You're putting the camera in my face.
Yeah, I'm putting the camera all up in your face.
Oh my god.
Yo, y'all think I should sue her?
Oh my god.
I'm gonna sue you for stress. Stressing people out.
What?
Dutch spot. About to go eat some food, man. Right?
You want some Jamaican food?
Yeah, from Dutch spot, of course.
Go to Rodney's.
Alright, guys, you see that? Just got some Jamaican food. Look at this, man. We at the crib. Look at this. Nighttime. Big money Sequoia, man. Mrs. Rich, what you gotta say to the people?
You people love it, bro. You get our pond over there. You see a little pond.
A little pond, man. It's nighttime. I can't see no pond.